Now I am explaining about Laravel Middlewares. Middlewares are for protecting the routes. Then using middlewares we can protect different routes. In here I go to routes web and here we generate student control. Then I duplicate this. Then I change this as student dashboard. I change the route name, route URL as student dashboard. Here there is another thing in routes. I change this. This is student dashboard. I change another one as student guest. Student guest. Then here I change the URL as student guest. Student guest. Then I remove unnecessary tabs. Then I open student controller and I create a new function, public function. I name it, first one I name it as, this first one is I made for this, then that is student dashboard. Second one is for this route. Here I write something, this hi student you are logged in and welcome to the dashboard. Okay, in here student guest I write you are a guest. In here I go to the route student dashboard. Okay, hi student, you are again welcome to the dashboard. The other thing is I go to the student guest. Those are not protected. Those are automatically gone. It is going to the login dashboard and also it is going to the student guest. But I want my requirement is if I logged, it is go to student dashboard. If I not log, if I am a guest, it redirect to you are a guest. Okay, now I am going to create a middleware. For that, PHP artisan make middleware. I write it as check user. Okay, middleware is created successfully. After create a middleware, it should be registered in kernel. In kernel, there is web protection, and also there is route middleware. I am using this. For that, I write here check user, then app http middleware, the location of that is check http middleware, then I made it as check user. Okay, check user. Then I go to inside check user, then I get as use auth, then I write if auth, then check. Okay, auth and check, then I allow the route. Otherwise, I return you are not a user. Okay, I create another middleware for guest. PHP artisan make middleware, then guest, check guest. Okay, then I register that in kernel like this, check guest, then check guest. Okay, after that I open check guest, I use auth, then I write if auth guest. I continue the route. Otherwise, I return you are not a guest. After that, I protect it. I am going to protect the routes. For that, this is protect as user. I am going to this is protect as user, and also this is protect as guest. I am going to do that. For that, here I am at middleware, that is check user. I am going to add middleware, that is check guest. Okay, now I am going to run those routes. student dashboard. Okay, here there was a error. If I go to student dashboard, because I am only returning like this, that is wrong. Apart from that, I am going to redirect. If he is not a user, I am going to redirect to student guest. Okay. Likewise, in the uh, check guest route, if he is not a guest, I am going to redirect here to student dashboard. Okay. Then if I hit here, it is redirect to student guest. Here I am going to log in using my username password. I explained this in previous Laravel login and registration tutorial. Then I log in. Then if I hit here student guest route, it is redirect to student dashboard. That's it. Then now I am going to explain another method to protect routes. That is, go to web. I duplicate this and I remove this middleware. Then I change this student welcome. Then student controller, I make a control. I can control a function as welcome. Then I go to student controller. I make welcome function. Then I import here to the auth. Then I write like this: if auth guest, if user is guest, I return you are a guest. Otherwise, I return you are a user. Likewise, then I go to this welcome. I go to this welcome because this route is not welcome, student welcome. Then I copy this. Then I go to student welcome. Then you are a user because I already log in there. Then I am going to log out. I am going to log out. Then I log out. Then I hit student welcome. You are a guest. This is working. But in case if you are using a middleware, that is more secure in the application level. Thank you.